Russia has tested a prototype of a radical new hypersonic nuclear warhead. It has been claimed troops launched an RS-18 ballistic missile on Tuesday, which is believed to have been a test of the advanced hypersonic glider warhead, according to RT.com. It is eventually expected to be used by the Satan II super nuke that is capable of wiping out England and Wales and is 2,000 times as powerful as a Hiroshima bomb. Defense blog Military Russia.ru says the launch was meant to test Russia's hypersonic glider warhead, currently known by its developer designation Object 4202 feet, or aeroballistic hypersonic warhead. The hypersonic glide vehicle would be able to get past missile defenses as they make it impossible to calculate the warhead's ballistic trajectory. The latest test is believed to have been conducted from a site near the town of Yasny, Orenburg region, in the southern Urals, and the warhead reached the Koret test range in Kamchatka in Russia's far east. The test was a success. The warhead was delivered to Kura Field, the Defense Ministry reported. A hypersonic glider vehicle is different from a conventional ballistic missile warhead in that it travels most of the time in the stratosphere rather than in space. This gives an HGV-tipped missile greater range and may give anti-missile systems a shorter window to respond to an attack. Crucially, HGVs can change direction during the approach to a target at high speed, making interception significantly harder. Object 4202 is reportedly meant to be used with Russia's next-gen heavy strategic missile, the RS-28 Sarmat. Military experts estimate that the new ICBM, an image of which was first made public this week, may carry up to 3 HGVs as payload. A previous possible test of Object 4202 was reported in April. Earlier this month it was claimed Russia is readying itself to become a leader in the construction of hypersonic aircraft, a new report reveals. Kremlin-backed media claim engineers in the Federation are among the first in the world to work towards new materials for planes capable of reaching hypersonic speeds. The move could help Russia produce a new fleet of aerial war machines that could launch nuclear attacks from space. Aviation researchers are reportedly working to develop the materials which can withstand the stress and high temperatures of traveling many times the speed of sound. The findings come from a state-backed research fund which claims to Russia as a leader in the development of such resistant materials, reports Sputnik. Breaking the sound barrier and reaching speeds of close to 4,000 miles per hour puts the structure under immense stress. Russia has already revealed its plans for a stealth bomber capable of hypersonic speeds, with an engine which could be ready as early as 2020. The Pakta craft, which would travel far higher than existing planes, would be able to reach any target on Earth within 2 hours and could deliver a nuclear warhead. But in order to achieve hypersonic capabilities, engineers have to overcome a number of design hurdles. Firstly, the heat generated from the air resistance means materials for the plane's wings and fuselage must be able to maintain temperatures of more than 1,500 C (2,700 F) during flights, which would otherwise melt steel and other conventional materials. According to Sputnik, a statement from the Fund for Perspective Research said, "This problem is addressed by creating innovative composite materials based on carbon fibers. There has been considerable progress in this sphere, and Russia is one of the world leaders. Engineers in the US, Australia, UK, China and others are working to develop hypersonic aircraft which can travel at Mach 5 or 5 times the speed of sound. A US-Australian group is looking to scramjet technology. These engines are designed to carry only hydrogen fuel, sucking in the oxygen they need for combustion and achieving speeds greater than Mach 7. Britain's closest program to the Russian hypersonic jet is a top-secret stealth drone being developed by BAE Systems. The $200 million Taranis aircraft will be the most advanced built by British engineers. Chinese engineers are reportedly looking to develop hypersonic aircraft capable of taking passengers to the edge of space, which it claims will be ready by 2030. Aside from the structural stress and high temperatures involved in hypersonic travel, researchers will have to overcome issues with communication. Hypersonic vehicles become engulfed in a superheated bubble of plasma, which reflects electromagnetic radiation, cutting the vehicle off from the outside world. According to Sputnik, Russian researchers at more than 40 state laboratories are working on these issues. One group in China is working on the communication issue caused by plasma bubbles, using a matched layer which enables signals to penetrate.